that doing out here? Empty chips? Ooh, a bike! I figured it out. It's all perfect to do a bike check. Yeah! Okay, this is the bike check, the certified bike check of 1997 GT Cyclone. Okay, we'll start on the upper portion. This is the felt. This is a felt stem. We have FSA handlebars, Scott grips. The frame is a GT Cyclone. I think I said that. We have a Pro logo seat. The frame fades from like red to blue. I think it looks really sick. And the lettering is also like kind of like, I don't know, it's really colorful. It looks super dope. We have Kenda Honey Badger tires. These are like good cross-country tires, I would say, and they actually still make them. So then we have a 9-speed Shimano Dior XT like cassette with a, like I said, Shimano Dior XT derailleur. We have a 2x up front with a 46 and a 36 chainring. We have the stock GT cranks. I guess that's about it. Let's see, what didn't I mention? Okay, we have Shimano Dior XC brakes, Shimano XTR shifter, and yeah, this used to be a 3x, but then my dad changed it to a 2x, so I guess that's it. Sick, dude. Okay, so this video is basically just a filler video. I'll have the sick stuff coming out soon. So yeah, don't forget to friggin' shred the gnar, dude. And yeah, peace. I forgot to mention, you have a RockShox 80mm fork up front with U-brakes. So yeah, that's it. Yeah. 3, 2, 1, peace.